Hi, this is Stan with DreamWall here at InfoComm 2026, where we are introing some of our most important products. One's right behind me. These are our outdoor COB displays, chip-on-board technology. This one right here is a 115-inch diagonal 1.9 pixel pitch display. And on the back side of it is the same size, 115, 1.5 pixel pitch display. So a higher resolution display for closer in viewing. So thanks again for visiting us. This is Stan with DreamWall. Please visit our website at www.dreamwall.net. Thanks again.